I don't know whether to count this as subject log 5 and 6 or just subject log 5. Subject log 5, subjects 3 and 4, also known as Star and Celestia. They both seem like they're either really close friends or siblings. How do I know this? Well, they've got the same pairs of wings, and they obviously like hanging around each other, like what friends and siblings would do, depending on the relationship between the siblings. When I first encountered them, I asked them if they wouldn't mind coming to my lab. They were really reluctant in doing so, but then finally agreed after my negotiations with them, saying that they get freedom at any point. They can leave and come back at any point. I just feel as if they're really interesting. Knowing that there's two space themed slug cats out there that can that can be in space and all that, it's really fascinating to me. But they had one condition for me. As long as they got the same holding chamber, they would come along for the ride. So I had to. They both got. They're both in the same holding chamber, and they're having their fun. They've requested I open a portal so they can wander freely without needing to ask permission. I asked where to, and they said like somewhere between space and Earth. I got confused when they said that because the only place I know is the clouds. Are they able to hop on clouds or something? God, that sounds stupid for someone who's really smart. Mm. uh, yeah, I did that. I didn't know what they meant, so I just did that. And they have been coming back periodically. And it's nice to see them. They're always so happy, which is really nice. They they come back even though they don't have to, because I've done my tests on them and I've concluded that they are just slug cats that have strange abilities like that one subject 2, hive mind. But hey, again, they're really cool. I don't think I've said that. Why did I say again? I don't know. They're cool. They're just cool. And I yeah, I don't know what else to say. Well, I wish them a good life and I'm glad they keep coming back to visit. It's nice. Really it is.